Well, hello, speculators. This is Rod with VPT Live, and I'm going to take a look at our C2 Star program tonight. I'm on the Collective 2 website. Before I get going, just want to remind everyone that this is for educational purposes only. Nothing I say, do, or show is meant as solicitation to buy or sell any security, and that trading is extremely risky. You can lose all of your money. Don't eat yellow snow. Look both ways before crossing the street. If you don't agree to those terms, please exit out of this video. For more information about our disclaimers and disclosures, you can go to vptlive.com/notices. All right. We are in something called the C2 Star program. You can reference other videos here on YouTube. Look for something that says C2 Star. Or also in some of our videos where we talk about ways in which you can get access to capital. The C2 Star program is a pretty unique program. Full disclosure, I'm a partner in Collective 2. And I used to be the head of product. I'm not anymore, but I'm pretty partial to this. So if we come over here to our program, VPT C2 Star Futures, this is the one that I'm tracking. We just got started. I'll talk a little bit about this strategy in just a moment. Let me tell you a little bit about the C2 Star program and how it works. Okay. So as you know, at VPT, we're very focused on the idea that for many traders, working their way up to getting some sort of funding allocation or capital is an important part of the trading journey, especially if you're interested or have a goal of doing more with your replacing or supplementing or complementing your income, or at some point going full-time. There's nothing wrong with trading a small account. You're probably in worse shape if you have a bigger account, because it's just more money you can lose while you're learning. So we take people down a path of what are the ways that you can hone, improve your skills, get your confidence, get your consistency, and then get access to capital. And the C2 Star program is one way that you can potentially get access to capital, or ways you can make more money from your trading, in this case even on a demo account. So at a very high level, how it works is you start with a $50,000 model account. You could trade either stocks or futures. I trade, for this program, I'm trading futures because they're more naturally levered. And then during the period of 60 days from the time you start to 60 days, that's 60 calendar days. It could be 20, 25, it could be 40-ish trading days, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, probably 45 trading days. You have to beat the S&P by 1% net of fees. And the fees on the account are estimated commissions based on Interactive Brokers, as well as a $125 a month subscription charge. Okay, so that sets you back $250 on your $500,000 starting balance. As you can see here, there's a subscription to any C2 Star strategy. Someone can subscribe for $125. If you make it through the program and you get certified, we guarantee you, or C2 does, a payment of $500 a month. Plus, you have a C2 certified strategy that's going to be promoted on the site, and other investors can come in and subscribe for $125, and you keep half of that. So do some math. You get 10 subscribers. That's an extra $600 right there, plus your $500. And then keep in mind, you're putting up no capital at all, no risk at all. You're trading a virtual account. There is a price to participate in the program. It's somewhere between $100 and $300. It varies. When there's no promotions going, don't wait for a promotion, just get involved. It's a heck of a deal. The most it costs you about $297. So that's for 60 days, $150 a month. And if you succeed, then that very next month, you get all your money back plus a nice return. So that's the C2 Star program. At VPT Live, I have like 4 of these going on, testing various different strategies. It was brutal to beat the S&P from late December, from the Christmas Eve massacre, all the way through. I think this is one of the strongest starts to a year in quite a while. But we're going to revert to the mean in terms of performance. So I just started this one back on March 11th or something like that, earlier this week. It's a scalping strategy. We risk between 6 and 8 ticks to make 6 and 8 ticks. Trading a variety of different futures instruments. As I talk about over at VPT Live, we're mostly futures traders for daily income, and when you're trying to beat the S&P, might as well use a levered product. I mean, you could certainly do it with stocks. Forex is coming soon, and maybe options, but for now, it's futures and equities. So this program will also be available to follow along if you'd like. You could even trade it in your own self-directed live brokerage account at the VPT Live Auto Trade Now platform. But for most of you, I think it's just a great program, since most in our community are self-directed traders that are looking to hone and improve their own trading skills. The C2 Star program is a great place to start. If you want to find out all about it, you can go to Collective2, trade.collective2.com/manage, create an account and log in. But it's probably better that you go to vptlive.com/C2star. That's vptlive.com/C2star. And that's where we'll have all the information about how you can participate in the program. All right, we'll leave that for now. Recording this video using something called OBS, so hopefully it doesn't suck. I'm not going to post-edit it. So this is Rod with VPT Live, reminding you to always trade like you mean it. Thanks.